Welcome to today's tutorial showing you how you can invite other people into your space. Today I'll be showing you two different perspectives. I'll be showing both the host's point of view and the participant's point of view. Just to get started, I can either go into an existing space or create a new space. For the sake of today, I'll just go into this new space I created called Pink Mars. And as soon as I enter the space, I have the ability to copy the link and invite people. I can also share my space via email and keep the space restricted so that no one can join with the link unless they are invited. In this case, I'm going to invite one of my other accounts via email that I'm logged into on this side of the screen. I can invite someone as a participant or a host here by just changing the option to owner. And then once I'm ready, I can send out the invitation. Another option that you can use to invite people into your space is by copying and pasting the link anywhere you want. One of those places can be through a Google Calendar invite. I'm going to go into my Google Calendar here, and what I can do is create any event of my liking. Let's say today's event will be Pencil Spaces Sync. And then I can go into my location section here and paste the link that I copied from my space. I can also add the link to the description of the event, and I can turn this into a hyperlink. Then I can invite any participants that I'd like. I could even make this a recurring event, and I would be able to enter the same space every single time I host this event. Then I can save the event after I've invited my participants, and I can send an invitation. Now, as the participant, now that I've received an invite, I can simply change the link over here and paste the Pencil Spaces link, and I will automatically be entered into the other space. As you can see, I have the ability to see my participants' cursors. I can see when anyone draws in real time. If I want to remove anyone from my session, I can simply click the drop down next to their name. I can either change them to an owner, or I could remove access entirely. And just like that, I just got kicked out of the space, and now I can no longer access it unless I get added back. Whenever someone else in your space turns on their video for the first time, everyone in the call will see this audio and video settings pop up, open up. Here you can set up your webcam, microphone, and speaker, and then you can choose whether or not you want your microphone or camera turned on or off. In this case, I'm going to mute myself on one device, but turn my video off and mute myself on the other side. Then you can confirm your selection. And now I can see my own video on the other side, but my video as a participant is turned off. And that is it for today's tutorial showing you how to invite people into your space. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to add them into the comment section below. We hope this was helpful, and thank you for watching.